We all know how annoying vacuuming your vehicle can be. There always seems to be dirt that won't come up or a few stray Cheez-Its under a seat, just out of reach. Worse yet is trying to accomplish this with a clumsy oversized shop vac or even your home upright vacuum. We set out to find the best car vacuum cleaner available to solve your car cleaning needs. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best car vacuum in 2023. So let's get started. Number 1. BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster Handheld Vacuum. This is the best car vacuum we tested. While it lacked Gold Star status in the suction and battery life test, the trusty BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster reigned supreme in our real-life floor mat test. BLACK+DECKER's renowned portable vacuum features a large mouth that had zero issues cleaning up all 5 of our test contaminants, just the sort of mess that's often found on a car floorboard. The opening was wide enough to avoid clogs, and the collection chamber handled it all with ease. Dumping it is a breeze, too, without leaving anything stuck around the filter. We also liked the design of the stand-up charging base. Number 2. BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Handheld Vacuum. BLACK+DECKER performed well in our tests, as shown by its occupation of the top 2 spots. Again, the wide-mouthed crevice opening did very well against our 5 contaminants, but the most attractive feature is the pivot function, hence the name. The long crevice opening, paired with up to 200 degrees of pivot angle, allows the BLACK+DECKER pivot to get into typically inaccessible places. Battery life is SOSO, coming in at just around 11 minutes, and the noise level is pretty average. Number 3. MetroVac Vac and BLO Compact Wall Mount. You'll feel like Rambo throwing this bad boy over your shoulder, but by golly, it does the job. Resembling some sort of jet engine activated by a chunky, old-school toggle switch, the MetroVac Vac and BLO Compact Wall Mount is a true beast. While it's meant to be mounted onto your garage's wall, this vacuum comes with a handy shoulder strap that we prefer. Make sure you don't bonk it into the vehicle as you work. The vacuum comes with a plethora of attachments, but we used the crevice tool for our floor mat test where it underachieved against the big pieces. Number 4. Milwaukee M18 Cordless Vacuum. Milwaukee really makes everything these days, so we had to try the Milwaukee M18 Cordless Vacuum. Right off the bat, you're looking at the winner of our battery life test, the M18 Red Lithium XC 5.0, beating all of the contenders with a healthy 23-minute, 24-second time. The collection chamber is nice and large, and emptying it is simple. The vacuum doesn't produce that much noise either, but all of the excess air blows out from the top, so expect a warm breeze as you use it. The crevice attachment is sadly skinny, and it struggled against Cheerios and Cheez-Its, as seen in the photo below. Weighing in at nearly 6 pounds, it does get the forearms burning after extended use. Number 5. DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Vacuum. The DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Vacuum competed nicely with the Milwaukee Vac, but the yellow machine was edged out in certain areas. Notably, battery life from the 20V Max XR lithium-ion was not as impressive as the Milwaukee M18's, but it was still good enough for a comfortable second in our testing. The DEWALT's crevice tool also struggled against large chunks, and emptying the vac was a tad trickier. However, the DEWALT is lighter, and more of the weight is over the middle of the machine, which helped with wrist fatigue. That was our list of the top 5 best car vacuum in 2023 just for you.